To wire a step motor, you need a few things. So you need the motor itself, you need a driver for it, you need Arduino, and then a breadboard. Now I'm going to be using these wires that one end has no pin and the other end does have a pin, just to make my life a little easier. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect my stepper motor to my driver. Now make sure it only goes in one way. There are these little slotted marks on here. They do line up with these slotted marks on the driver. So I'm going to connect those right away. And we're actually fully done with the motor itself. Now it's just hooking up the driver. So on the driver, there are 6 pins. We've got our 4 control pins, and then we've got our 2 power pins over here. Now on my left, we have the ground, so the negative, and on the right, we have the 5 volts. So I'm going to take my 2 wires that have no pins in them and then put them into those 2 power pins. Now make sure you know which color is which. So in my case, I have purple as being my ground and I have blue as being my positive. And I'm going to just connect those right to my breadboard. Now I'm assuming that we have a way of supplying power to this breadboard. So again, for me, my ground is negative and my blue is positive. Now at this point, all that's left is to connect the control pins. So we do have these 4 in 1 all the way to in 4, and these just need to go to a digital pin. Now I'm going to use way over here, just 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to connect all 4 of them. For me right now, they're still in a nice strand. So once we have those connected, on the driver's side, we're just going to go and put those into the Arduino side. Now the order that these go into Arduino doesn't really matter that much as long as they match our programming. So for my own simplicity's sake, I'm just going to make in 1 is 2, in 2 is 3. We're going to try to avoid using 0 or 1. They can be used for other things. So I'm going to make sure that the order is the same, just again, so it's easier to program. And that's it. We have ourselves an Arduino stepper motor, and now you can go look at the programming video.